AI is more than a mere technological innovation. It has significantly changed our daily lives. Also, social, ethical, and legal issues have been triggered by the rapid spread of the technology. International cooperation for balanced AI development and growing significance of data and privacy. Who will lead the next step for reliable AI governance to allow sustainable innovation? Korea is the digital hub of Asia, a leading player in data protection, and is transitioning from a global leader in semiconductors and IT powerhouse to become an AI powerhouse. The AI Summit in Seoul declared the importance of policies and governance to foster a safe, innovative, and inclusive AI ecosystem. Based on the experience of hosting these events, Korea has been building its leadership capabilities and intends to lead the discussions on forming regulations and governance on AI and data. GPA 2025 Seoul. The future of data protection will be discussed in Seoul. Bringing together DPAs around the world, as well as international organizations, big tech companies, academia, and civil groups, experts from all over the world will get together under the theme of AI in our daily lives, data and privacy issues. It will serve as a grand event on privacy where we can actively continue our discussions on AI and international governance. We invite you to join us in Seoul, where tradition, modern life, and innovation blend seamlessly. Join us in building the future of AI and privacy.